How to fade out video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fade out in CapCut, firstly open your App Store and search for CapCut there. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly without any glitches. Now go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device. Tap on the New Project option there in order to start a new project, and now select the video you want the fade out effect in. Tap on the video, and now in the toolbar you will see the option for opacity. Tap on that and slide the slider of opacity from 100 to 0, and then tap on the keyframe option beside the undo option and add a keyframe at the beginning of the fade in. Now, slide the video until where you want the fade in effect and tap on the keyframe option again and set the opacity slider to 100, and you can see the effect has been added successfully. In order to fade out, go to the end of the video and tap on the keyframe. Add the keyframe at the end of the video and then tap on opacity again and set the opacity slider to 0, and you can see the fade out effect has been added successfully to your video. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.